my babies. This is Kathy Auntie here, and I'm very excited for another fun session with you. So first we're going to do a little learning, and then after that my baby is going to sing songs for you guys today. It'll be fun. She's a very good singer. Okay, so let's start. Let's learn first something. Look at all these vegetables. What do you think is common among that? What are these? They're all vegetables. This is potatoes. This is garlic, onion, sweet potato. This is ginger, that's right. This is beetroot. This is turnips. Look, they're turnips. And this is a carrot. And you know what is common? They're all roots. So they grow under the ground. So when the farmer goes, it has to pull it out of the ground, and the vegetable is below the ground. Look at that. So what happens is, this is what they see. The farmer only sees this. And when it pulls out of the ground, then they see the vegetable. These are roots. These are roots. All of these vegetables are roots. And this is a turnip. This is a turnip. What is this? This is a carrot. This is a sweet potato again. Ginger, onion, garlic and potatoes. They all are under the ground. You can't see them. They don't grow on trees. They don't grow on plants. They grow under the ground. They are under the ground. Okay? That's a new thing. Ask your mommy and daddies to show you all the root vegetables that you have at home. See which ones you have at home and tell me which is your favorite root vegetable. For Kathy Auntie, she loves turnips, she loves sweet potato, and she loves ginger in her tea. She loves the ginger in her tea. It's a good flavor. Tell me which one is your favorite. Maybe it's a carrot, or maybe it's potatoes, or is it an onion? Tell me what it is.